Sunny went into the jungle today. It felt bright and beautiful.
Sunny learned something today. Trying something brave helps us grow.
Oh no! Something did not belong here. The jungle friends looked worried. The pond was messy. Sunny thought quietly. What could he do? Sunny decided to help. He started cleaning up. Soon, his friends helped too. Cleaning was easier together. Sunny brought a little bag. He was ready to care for nature. The pond looked shiny again. The jungle felt happy. Everyone felt proud. They made a big difference. Taking care of nature is important. We all can help. Sunny learned something today. Keeping nature clean makes everyone happy.